Second time I've been to this convention. It is the second time that it has snowed on the first day. Alright, so welcome back, Southside Fishing family. For those who are new, welcome to the channel. What we do is we fish here, but today we're at the Chicagoland Fishing and Outdoors Expo. I'm going to meet up with some of the guys real quick. I'm going to be working the cash crew booth today, walking around. Tomorrow I'm coming back, and then the next day, which is Saturday, I am also coming back. So let's get inside. I'm excited to see what kind of new stuff they got today. So. Oh, it's cold out there. All right, welcome back. Day 3. We got Brian in the car behind the camera. We're going to the Schomburg show again. Check out some more stuff. Stay tuned.
Especially with the bigger shadow wraps that were in Fire Tiger. That was something they had on their website a few months ago as a custom color, specifically for the European market, but it's cool to see that over here. And these two colors, okay, all of them. Man, those colors are just sick. And okay, for 637, we might be coming back here a little.
We might be coming back here. We're here at the show, checking out some different stuff. We're gonna look at Varney baits. I got some really good swim jigs from what I hear. I've never used them, but I'm gonna pick some up today. We're gonna have a good time today. We're just gonna be looking around and doing everything. We're here. Guys with the cash crew. We got Ray, we got Dell. We're just chilling today, so spending some money again.
The whole idea was swim jigs, which are basically, they're hand-tied, hand-painted in Wisconsin. The hook is a Gamakatsu custom hook that I've been getting made since about 1998 or something like that. I do both silicone and rubber skirting. Custom work if necessary. Custom work is not at any greater expense than the non-custom work. Ishman Rowe and Iconelli, they all sort of design baits together. So it's a combination of creature type baits or whatever, things to put on the back of a swim jig. If you go to my website, varneybaits.com, there are 2 seminars that I did to pretty much give all the details out on how to use them and where to use them and why to use them and time of year and all the details of fishing. I fished my first tournament 40 years ago. Really? So that just makes me the old goat in the boat.
But you got the knowledge.
I got the knowledge. I also got, guys here about your age that are chasing after me, and I love beating the hell out of you. I'll be perfectly honest.
Hey everyone, Brandon Polnick here. We're hanging out in the Schomburg Convention Center down here in Chicago, and I have the first look at the new Tatula SD TW103. And this is going to be the latest release from Daiwa. Just released a couple days ago. The only place you can see it right now in the public is at this show. All the sales samples are here, so if you want to get a first look at it, come down to the show, check it out. I'm going to be hanging out in the booth here, giving away reels, autographs, hats, you name it. Gonna be doing some tank seminars, so make sure you guys come down today, Saturday, or Sunday. Check out the new reel, get a first look, and grab some autographs.
Hey, good afternoon everybody. I'm Justin Helper with Commemorative Creations and Customs, and as you can see, I paint custom lures. We're up here at the Chicagoland Fishing and Sports Show. What I brought with me is just an assortment of pretty much everything you can think of blank-wise. Some of my newer patterns for the show. This is my new perch pattern. I've got that in a couple jerk baits. I've got it in a little swim bait over here. Another pattern that's brand new this year is this goldfish. Kind of hard to justify and see all the scale patterns in there, but that's been a pretty good bait last year for me. Well, we got a little bit of everything. Topwaters and rock crawlers and wigglewort, square bills and rattle traps. All different types of patterns. Come on up and see me and let's make a deal. Awesome.
I don't care if you're a big fisherman, I don't care if you consider yourself a spinnerbait fisherman, a worm fisherman, a topwater guy, oh, you're a big guy. There is going to be a big bait parallel. And how many of you guys are familiar with this little guy? Yeah? It's taken the everything fishing world by storm the last couple seasons. This is a mega bass dark sleeper. It's kind of like a hybrid swim bait jig, almost. It comes in a couple different sizes, but this is one of those baits that I feel if you are new to this game and just want to get a lot of engagement from fish and just have a lot of fun, but at the same time give yourself lots of opportunities to learn. Oh, let go, man. I didn't cut off that one. But that is a great high engagement lure. And
I'm heading out today, though.
You too?
Heading out, man.
You guys are out?
Yes, sir. Cool. I'm coming back tomorrow, though.
Well, cool.
All right, dude. Yes, sir. We're heading out of the show now. Day 2 of 4. I'm coming back tomorrow. Brian, this was Brian's one and only day. But I'm not going to bring the camera tomorrow just because we pretty much went through the whole thing within the 2 days. So you guys have already seen the stuff that we've been looking at. Now I want to bore you guys. So pretty good, though. I spent way too much money. We've got some stuff for free, which is awesome. Awesome guys at Cash Crew and awesome guys over at Commemorative
Creations
and Customs. I mean, they
y'all remember last year I upgraded my hat to this and had to upgrade it again.
Upgrading the Cash Crew stuff. So we are gonna find out what we
The weather's bad again.
Yeah, literally every year it like rains. Dude, I'm about to like lose everything out of this bag. But it was super fun. Super fun day. So spent more money than I thought I was gonna spend, I'm not gonna lie, but that's kind of how it goes when you go to fishing conventions. I don't know, what do you think? How was it?
Another great year.
Another great year. I mean, it was fun, so.
We definitely got our stuff down. Much thanks to Cast Crew.
Yes, sir.
Again, as well as Commemorative Creations and Customs. He's a wonderful guy and makes wonderful custom lures. So, well, that's all I got.
There we go. Let's leave and hopefully not die on the roads.